Stock tip. Best stock setups.
Hi, I'm Marcel Todia. Welcome to Stock Tip Daily Update. So yesterday wasn't the best day for us. I was pretty much hoping that we would remain in this range until the CPI came, and it didn't look. So the market lost its faith, and we had pretty much a sell-off. Now the big question remaining is this sell-off that we've seen here the beginning of a new down move, or is it not? So I think a lot hangs in the balance today with the CPI coming. If that is consumer price index. If the CPI is going to be favorable, then we have a chance to cancel this negative moment. But if the CPI is also going to disappoint, then I think we should adjust our strategy. So how did I take this hit? So I actually sold another 50% of my long position here of my calls, and I am left with 1/3 of my initial calls. And if the market is going to turn around today, then I will restock. But if the CPI disappoints, I'm going to short the SPY pretty heavily so that I can make a profit on our way to 3,800 or 3,500. So 3,500 is also still in the cards. The weekly charts would make a lot of sense. So we would first retrace this Fibonacci level, and the next Fibonacci level would be 3,500. And in the past, we've pretty much always moved slightly below the 200 weekly line, so this would be possible. But I personally would definitely prefer that the market is going to head up, but that's just my opinion. Also, I think you should increase your cash quota from 30% probably to 70% this time, and see how pretty much wait and see what today's CPI is going to be like. Is it going to disappoint or not? So my strategy going forward, not. And now, so hedge, if the CPI disappoints, then short in the SPY to get the next couple of days moving down, respectively, to reach 3,800. So this is if not, then a restock on my calls here. So this is the strategy. I don't have anything much to talk about. The Nasdaq looks pretty much the same, also with a breakdown here. The IVM also pretty much the same, but still not that much of a convincing breakdown, but it's coming. The DAX looks the same. And the euro to US dollar looks pretty much the same, with a breakdown here, breakdown of this triangle, nasty inversions here, because if just as the market starting going down in the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, we were actually here with a breakout in the euro to US dollar. So again, this convergence I was talking about. Oil, a bit of a negative day. Gold, silver, a bit of a negative day. Silver, more of a negative day. And if you take a look here, pretty much all of the sectors have had a negative day here, with -2, 3, 4% all over the market. So just like I always say, if the market is going down, then all of the sectors are going down. Then there is no safe haven where you can park your winnings. You just have to hang on and adjust your strategy as you go. Okay, BBO, what did BBO do? So BBO pretty much inverted here. My stop is still here, 665, I think, so it's still in the cards. And Jinko Solar, I said the stop is here, and if it breaks down, then the position must be sold and wait for the next opportunity. And you might just see why it's sold off. The solar sector was overall a bit overstretched, a bit overbought here, and we need a consolidation if we are going to get one before going further. And that's the same. So this story applies to Jinko Solar. So Jinko Solar alone, independently from its sector, can't keep growing, but I think it's in the cards here. So I'm pretty optimistic about Jinko Solar. Okay, I think that pretty much covers it for today. Remember, wait for the CPI, so Consumer Price Index, that's it, and just your strategy accordingly. Perhaps a nice hedge so that we get ahead on the next move down. So that's our possibility here. Okay, thank you for joining me, and wish you all a good luck, and see you again soon.